Shake. Shake. Shake.
Ready? Oh, it's fine. Moxie. I can't. Oh my gosh, I can't. There's a frog on you. Oh my god.
Taylor. He's gonna lose. Oh.
This is a waste of time. We could have been in a bar, having a nice cocktail. We could have had a coffee.
What you doing?
Get it.
What are you doing?
Mommy,
What?
I want to talk to you about something.
What is it?
I don't think you feed me enough.
Go, Gunner. Gunner, go. Get the ball, Gunner. Run. There you go. Run faster. Faster, Gunner, faster. Gunner, get the ball.
Get down. Get down.
Oh, go.
Just trying to eat some breakfast and
So good and tasty.
Where's your smile? There it is.
Who's there? Come on, who's there?
Hi, Tubbs. No.
Oh no, Walter.
I am a genius.
You comfortable walking? You chilling?
Come here, big boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
What do you got there, my dude? Here, let me light that for you. Oh, good job.
What did he do to him? Damn it, Clifford! Clifford, what's up, baby boy?
The door is open. Look, open door. The door is open. The door is open.坐了说。再说。
That's hilarious.
Try again. Wow.
And hold paper towels. Just wipe it off on the mess.
Did you see Grandpa? Did you see Liam? Did you see a cat?
Photo. Just one at a time, said smile.
Vitórias, muita conquista e muita fé em Deus.
Oh my gosh! Who's done that? No. Who's done all this? You've been in a cupboard. Yeah, and my slipper.
No. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies.
Big stretch, you gotta say big stretch. Every time I do a big stretch, you know that's the rules. When a puppy walk is about to go down, big stretch. Oh yeah. I do a big stretch, go low to the ground. Big stretch.
Uh-oh. Did you get it stuck by the hater? I'm sorry.
Huh?
Yeah.
baby? What is a baby? I'm looking for my baby. It's my baby. It's my baby. Hi, baby. Hi, my boy.
The bloody dog? He been so bad today.
Julian.
Want to go for a walk?
I don't know if you would be interested, but I was wondering, since
Bailey, you want a treat?
What are you doing?
Fuck this, I'm going in!
Huh?
Stop crying. Stop crying because you can't bite your sister.
It's a good day. We just cut the yard. It's a nice yard. Oh shit! Shit! Oh shit! I love it.
Louis. Oh my God.
Hello, Seacliff.
Rosie, what are you doing?
So this is what we do when we go to Target.
Disculpe, su majestad, ¿está bien ahí? ¿Está fresco? ¿Está a gusto? ¿Está cómodo? ¿Le hace falta algo o estamos bien?
Do evil. Oh, you're bad. Where's your brother? Do evil for Vincent. Do evil.
I'm not lazy. I just don't feel like doing anything. Selected participate.
For you. Yep, yep.
You heard him.
Is that your bed, buddy? Oh.
andas a mismo. Vaya, te tiene miedo, nada. ¿Ah? ¡Rapidito!
Oh my god. Oh my god! La 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 la.
What are you doing? Why are you standing in the kitty bed? Is it because the kitty is in your bed? Huh? Is that it? Oh.
И тут, конечно же, сама я офигела.
The big palm tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even get hot, right?
Ô filho! Vira, amor!
Que bonitinho.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
No es un chico malo, solo quiere ser él mismo.
Gizzy, how are you feeling this morning? Good. Do you want to do a high five today? All right. Gizzy. High five. Good, Papa.
Smile! Smile!
Can someone explain to me how I got home and found her up there when she should have been in here?
I saw put on the dog.
Who is the biggest baby? Yeah, you are.
Despacito, eso. Mira, Juan, con mi María no estoy enojada. Ten. Ten. Luego, mi amor.
You have 800 followers on TikTok. How do you feel about that? You say thank you? Yeah, say thank you, everyone.
And broski. Hell yeah, broski! Shake and bake! Shake and bake! Yeah, baby!
Back, 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 sit.
Bring me that mop bucket so I can put it back up. Bring me the mop bucket so I can put it back up.
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels. And
Until that weasel came along, our family made an honest living stealing dino eggs. An honest living, stealing, kind of ironic, don't you think?
Cordy Radio! Blue! Can we say happy Thanksgiving?
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
Sit down. Harriet Tubman. Butt crack. Funeral home.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Job, I can't fucking breathe. Get up. Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you? You're like 1,000,000 pounds. Where do you get a piece of corn?
If someone were to break into your house right now, what weapons do you have within reach?
Hello, motherfucker.
I got you a pup cut. Sight.
Can you get me out of the bucket? Okay. 过来。
There she goes! Go! Yeah. On the ramp. Move it! Oh my! How does he remember how to do that?
Do you want to go for a walk?
He's looking the complete opposite direction because he sees it in the mirror.
Cuando yo te diga, sentado, sentado, muy bien, Alan, muy bien.
Snow? Go ahead, Gordy. Go in the snow.
This, I bought this with money. I just gave money to somebody and they gave this to me. They just gave it to me. Cooper.
I gave my little dog a little nibble on the face a couple of days ago. Just will not leave me alone. She will not. Every single time, every day, she's like, "No, come nibble on it."
Moose, drop it. Drop it.
She digs underneath it and kills my tree. Look at that. And she's barking.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Who did this? Who did this?
It's real life. You're fighting over a sock?
Azalea, get back in this yard. My house.
You want your skateboard?